By the powers vested in me as Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I invite the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Ben Calvert, to address the congregation. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduands, honoured guests, congregation, it is my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. Now, friends and family, you may have thought that today was about you sitting down and watching our graduates walk across the stage to become graduates in a relatively benign and peaceful way. But you were wrong. You have a job as well. Your job is to make sure that when they do that, they are under absolutely no illusions at all as to how proud you are of them. And you can do that in a number of ways. You can clap very, very loudly. You may even shout their names. You might even yodel and holler. All of those things are acceptable. In fact, all of them, I would say, are required. So the best way of us to test your appetite for that is by means of a rehearsal. So, after 3, 1, 2, 3. That was really good. You're the 4th of the day, and that was easily the best. We usually get people to do that twice. There is absolutely no need to do so today, so thank you very, very much. I look forward to hearing more of that later on. As graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small, specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally, changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied the arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across Britain and many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers and nurses. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed a healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent, every one of you has intellect, and every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you have the qualification to prove it. As I start this ceremony, I would like you to remember 3 things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. Thank you, and well done.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd ar yr 8fed o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrhydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy ei deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu ei cyrheiddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod ei hymrwymiad a dathlu ei llwyddiant. Buddsodwn ein gobeithio'n ein disgwyliadau ynddynt gan obeithio a byddant yn rhoi ei talent a'i disg ger bron ei proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at ddyfodol ein cymdeithas gydag anrhydedd a chlod. Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 8th day of July 2019. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated, through their intellect and scholarly effort, that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction. Diolch.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Society candidates that have been awarded the Executive Master of Business Administration, Hannah Brayford. James Flood. Kate Francis. Thomas Keeley. Geraint Meadows. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Overall Performance by a part-time MSc Human Resource Management student, Sophie Grant. Charlotte Hughes. Sarah Hughes. The Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development Prize for Best Overall Performance by a part-time MSc Human Resource Management student, Catherine Jaggard. Charlotte Morris. Kerry Scriven. Natalie Tidball. Hoop Human Resource, David Wade. The Bachelor of Arts in Business, Bethan Abram. Alex Burt. Jason Conybeer. The South Wales Business School Prize for Best Performance by a BA Business Studies student, Amy Davis. Cherry Oliver. Ken Salvatore. Nikki Saunders. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Finance, European College of Business and Management, London, Georgia Brown. Lucy Cahoon. South Wales Business School Prize for Best Performance by a BA Business Studies and Finance student, ECBM, Bethany Claire Fortune. Caitlin Alexandra Hawkyard. Subicha Sivanathan. Francesca Titley. Maria Whitehead. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Brooke Atlanta Baker Garrett. Gabrielle Dolskaita. Lily Evans. Rebecca Denise Fulton. Callum Jones. Veronica Kanushkakova. Injin Matthews. Jordan Parsonage. Tegan Pugh. Sean Roper. Daniel James Wildey. Matthew Woolger. The Bachelor of Arts in Youth and Community Work, the School of Humanities and Social Sciences Prize for Outstanding Youth Work Practice by a BA Youth and Community Work student, Joshua Bowen. Lavisha Khan. Daniel Llewellyn. Cheryl Medway. School of Humanities and Social Sciences Prize for Best Academic Performance by a BA Youth and Community Work student, Steph Phoenix Rose Molenwell. School of Humanities and Social Sciences Prize for Outstanding Student Engagement by a BA Youth and Community Work student, Siobhan O'Reilly. Daniel Parker. Erica Caitlin Rose Pierce. Laura Ann Elizabeth Richards. The Bachelor of Arts in Youth and Community Work, Youth Justice, Tanya Purnell. The School of Humanities and Social Sciences Prize for Best Overall Performance by a BA Youth and Community Work student, Bethany Megan Riley. Victoria Robinson. Katie Sanders Smith. Caitlin Scanlon. The Foundation Degree in Youth and Social Care, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Amanda Truman. The Foundation Degree in Youth and Social Care, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Sophie Bevington. Jessica Doheny. Chloe Matthias. Courtney Williams.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed dataganiad cerddorol gan myfyrwyr o Goleg Prynhawn Cerdd a Drama Cymru, a fydd yn graddio eleni gyda graddau baglor y maest y mewn cerddoriaeth y Brifysgol De Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein gyfer ni heddiw mae Tom Dolby Quartet. Y byddant yn chwarae, they will perform Down by the Riverside, I Wanna Be Like You, Under the Sea. Rhaddedigion, gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, please give a warm welcome to Tom Dolby Quartet.
Pro-Chancellor, I now present to congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded the Master of Arts and Art Psychotherapy. Cynwen Beryl. Ellen Butcher. Catherine Ann Hicks. Bridget McGrath. Kay O'Sullivan. Charlotte Payne. Chloe Spindler. Progress in academic and clinical work, Louise Turner. Kate Uzzell. MA Art Psychotherapy, Best Overall Performance, Laura Rachel Waite. Sasha Welsh Donaldson. Christopher James Westray. Zoe Kathleen Williams. Elizabeth Wilson. The Master of Arts and Consultative Supervision, Jackie Jones. The Master of Arts in Counselling, Integrative, Catherine Locke. The Master of Arts in Music Therapy, the MA Music Therapy Prize for Significant Personal and Academic Achievement, Emma Barter. Benjamin James Blantz. Joshua Davy Stewart. Andy Evans. Victoria Guys. Lindsay Gwynedd. Amy Hall. Catherine Louise Holt. Charlotte Smith. The Master of Science in Cognitive Behavioural Psychotherapy, Kerry Connolly. The Postgraduate Diploma in Cognitive Behavioural Psychotherapy, Georgina Dixon. The Postgraduate Diploma in Consultative Supervision, Leanne Baker. Simon Walkling. The Postgraduate Diploma in Counselling of Children and Young People, Emma Ferdinando. Annabelle Louise Mabbott. Peter Orton. Linda Jane White. The Postgraduate Diploma in Integrative Counselling and Psychotherapy, Sarah Aitken. Joanne Bailey. Sheena Jones. The Postgraduate Certificate in Counselling Skills, Sean Bicknell. Samantha Black. Leston Blackburn. Coralie Birchall. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievement, School of Psychology and Therapeutic Studies for Therapeutic Studies, Deborah Cass. Deborah Cooper. Caroline Davis. Elizabeth Freeman. Julie McKim. Melanie Rowena Wall. The Master of Arts in Music Therapy, Dina Tova Sharman. Co-Chancellor, that concludes the awards both for the faculties, for the Faculty of Business and Society and the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Thank you. Congratulations. You can all celebrate now, can't you? Well done.
Wasn't that absolutely brilliant? It really was. Well, congregation, colleagues, friends, guests. And now I am the first person to call you graduates. Today has contained great moments of formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it is a moment of pride. On this platform, we've shared your pride and your tears as they crossed the stage. They did it. But so many of them didn't do it alone. You consoled them when they were down. You lifted them up as they tried. You guided them, and you were there for them. We'd like to say thank you, and I think you all deserve a round of applause. Now, for us on the stage, it is the highlight of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university. They have taught, mentored, fed, supported, counselled, assisted, reminded, and encouraged these graduates. Seeing your success is why we all do it. But I want to give you the chance, that is the students, to clap and thank everyone who has worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today. Come on then. But graduates, most of all today is a celebration, quite rightly, for you. Today is the moment that we, as an academic community, say that you are one of us, that you share our values, and that you're going to take those values out into the world. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers. And the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. But our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructive, critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical arguments look like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. Now, these are the timeless values of a university itself, and we hope that they are now your values as scholars and graduates of our university. Each one of you are now ambassadors for both the University of South Wales and for what we're all trying to achieve. Today, you move from being students to being our alumni. But you remain part of our university with our shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We trust that during your time at the University of South Wales, you will have broadened your horizons, opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your career, and filled you with a spirit of inquiry and a desire for lifelong learning. We wish you all the very best of good luck in your future endeavours. We rejoice in your success. You've earned this. Well done, good luck, and thank you. I now declare this degree congregation on the University of South Wales closed.
Anewch i sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.
Oh